Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our topic today is about multimeter and Clampmeter. I will share to you how to use this, the difference between this. This is Clampmeter to measure the current. But same, you can use this both to measure the AC or DC and continuity. So I will show you how to use this, especially for the beginners who want to learn. Okay? Source means just a supply voltage, AC or DC. So this is our, let's say for example, load. This load like a motor or heater or light bulb, this for the load. How to check the voltmeter? When this is AC, this is hot, this is neutral. When DC, positive or negative. To check the volts, use the voltmeter, put in volts, and then use positive here and neutral here. The common put here to measure the volt. And this Clampmeter, you have to hook up one here to the wire to measure the current. But same, you can use this for voltage and AC or DC voltage. And this is the motor winding. You can use for continuity to get if this winding is broken or not. You can use continuity. I will show you. First, we are going to use the voltmeter. Selector switch, you have to put in AC, alternating current, to check the volts. This is DC, to check the DC volts. This is millivolts for small voltage. This is ohms to measure the capacitor or coil, bulb like that. And this is continuity to measure the diode. And if line is broken or the wire is not connected or the contacts no good, you can use this too. And this is for the get the light on when you don't see. And this one is for hold. I will show you. And this for the range. Okay. There is 400 milliamps, 10 amps. This is for common. So ang tawag dito ay, we could say test lead. So we got the black one, common, red, positive, voltage. Test the alternating current first, the voltage first. We will check here how much the voltage here in the primary. 122 volts AC. For our control circuit, this is for example, auto transformer, I get 122 volts, 121. We are going to DC, check the DC. Here, DC volt. I got 24 car battery here. There's a positive here, a negative. We're gonna check for the red one test lead here, a negative here. So, yeah, I got 12.44 volts. Right. Small battery here, 1.2 volt. We check here. You can see here, this one here, there's a positive. There's a positive here, a negative. Put this lead here and try here. So you get 1.2 volt there. Yeah, this for DC. Okay, now use continuity. So we test ohms here. This ohms both use on continuity. You can use for fuse too. If fuse is broken, you can see here. I got reading 0.3. This means fuse is good. And you can use continuity also. Resistor, check. You see that? That means this is good. Fuse is good. This ohms and continuity, you can use both same to test the wire broken or fuse busted. This is small fuse here. See, if you got the reading, that this means fuse is good. Okay yung fuse natin. Yung maliit na fuse. It's okay. That means this okay. This is, and you can use ohms too. So this ohms and continuity, both you can use to check the supply. This is a small fuse for the car too. Also, you can check here. You get reading. That means okay. You can put continuity also. That's good. So this means this is fuse 15 amps for the car. Okay, close this one here. Close that one here. Now we are going to check the motor. Oh, another one here. This is for the light valve. So this is the middle one is the positive. Check the black one. This is the black one. The middle one. Yung gilid, hold. This is the white wire. The neutral. You get reading. Okay. This is a big fuse too here. Yeah, you can get ohms. You got the reading, that means okay. You can check continuity. That means okay. This is the contact, normally closed, normally open. This is the purpose to use for this continuity and ohms. You can use for contact. This is a common, doesn't matter. This is the common here. Put the common and use normally close. See? Good. You can use ohms or continuity, okay? When you fresh, normally close. When you fresh, you can't get anything OL. That means the lines open. When you take out my hand, see, I got 0.2 because normally close. When I press this button, that means open line because this is normally closed. This is normally open here. When you press, you got contact. So this purpose for this, even ohms and continuity, you can both together to check if the contact is good. See, that's okay. Same that and this is the motor winding. This one is the ground. This 3 wire is a 3-phase. So red, black, white. That's a winding. So this one here, this is a ground. Oh, okay. Check the balance first, ohms. Check the red and black. You get the reading 6 point something, 6.3. Winding supposed to be balance winding. And black and white, you get the reading 6.3 also. Black and red. Okay. So that means black and white. So 6.9. It's okay. That's the winding is balanced. That means motor is good. When unbalanced the load, then the motor will get high current and trip the contactor. And you will check too this continuity. If you don't get the reading, 16. Black and red, 16. Black and white, 17. Red and black, white, 16. So you can check if the motor is grounded, ground to line. That means you don't get reading. That means motor is good. This is how to check the motor. If you want to get the, you can get the hertz. That's hertz. That means frequency in your area. Okay. You put in the voltage. I will show you how to get the hertz. Okay. This one is 220 volts here. Yeah, I got 240 volts here. I will press this orange one here to get the hertz. How much the frequency is 60 hertz. 59.9, 60 hertz. Okay, turn on. I got 119 volts. When you press this orange one to get the hertz, hertz that means like frequency. See, 59.9. Alright? Okay. Hold. Press the hold. Even you unplug. This is the purpose of the hold. To hold the number. To hold the reading. This one is for the light. To turn on the screen if you cannot see. It's too dark. Pag madilim, press nyo tong symbol dito, yung bilog. This symbol for ilaw, for light bulb. press this one here. One more, disappear. Press, light on. And this hold, to hold the reading, what you want. Press the hold here. This one here, continuity and ohms, also you can use this if the wire is broken. See that one here, this is my, the wire is broken here, losing contact. This is for my hot water. Okay, we can check here. That means okay. Twist. When I twist, losing contact. So this side is, this cord is broken already here. May putid na oh. May patid na siya oh. Pag tinipihit ko, nawawala. So that means this wire is broken. Iyon ang gamit ng kahit ohms, pwede rin sa ohms. You can check also for ohms. See, you cannot get the reading. See, you got 0. ohms, okay, but when you get the reading kilo ohms or mega ohm, that means no good when you press. Yan ang purpose nitong continuity, how to check. Yung isa, one line is good. See, turn on so that you can see. Itong isang linya is hindi sira, it's not broken. So that means one side wire is damaged. Now next is Clampmeter. So before we plug in, there's a red one here. There's plug in the test lead, positive, uncommon, negative. We're gonna put the volts. Turn on the circuit breaker. 244 volts. Okay. Okay, now we're going to, pwede rin to mag-check ng AC-DC rin. To. So DC, nandito sa DC. Okay. 24 volts. Alright? Okay, parehas din. So, yung continuity, ohms, ang continuity for the capacitor, same, only one. So, pakita ko muna sa inyo. Continuity and ohms, same that multimeter, the voltmeter, how to test. This is fuse, how to check. If no sounds or no reading, it means open line. The circuit is not contact. So this fuse, if is broken, you cannot get the reading. Wala kayo mabasa. See? 0.5, that means there is a element inside. That means this fuse is good. Hindi pa sira. Ito, buo pa. Itong contact niya, common, and normally close. Meron. So, okay. When you press, change contact to normally open. Ganyan yan. Okay. Okay. Open, uncommon, normally open. See, you can see normally open. When you press, you got the reading, that means 0.1, that means contact is good. So same, parehas lang yan. Makukuha nyo yan. To you how to use, papakita ko sa inyo paano gamit ng Clampmeter, kaya Clampmeter. Dahil ito, ang gamit nito, look like multimeter. Pero may advantage to kasi meron siyang clamp. Okay. So now turn the power. I will try to turn on the power and we're gonna measure the current. Turn on the motor. I just make this for the tutorial. So it's off. We are going to measure the current, how many currents we are using. So we will put in A, hertz. This means A is amps. This is the symbol AC. You put in AC and clamp the one wire. Okay? Clamp the one wire. One wire lang. Makukuha nyo ang reading. 9.3 amperes. That means that's a current. This is the measure for the current. If you turn on the light, you get more one here reading. But I don't need because to see masisilaw kayo. Too bright. I turn off. If you want to measure this, is a 3-phase motor, only you change another winding. 9.1. So this is single phase only. If 3-phase motor, you use only H1 cable. So you can check if the load is balanced, the winding is balanced. So you see, I will show you. I will try. If I measure 2 wire same time, you cannot get rating 0.0 because you put 2. So you grab one only, put one only. See, I get 8.7, 8.8. That's good. All right. And now one more. Itong malaking cable na to. Alam kong gamitin to, nagamit ko dati to sa nung nagtatrabaho ako sa power plant. So, now, this cable used to measure the current also. I'll share ko rin sa inyo paano gumamit nito. Bihira ko to gagamitin. Ang mostly ginagamit, AC, DC, continuity, and ohm. Yun ang mostly nagagamit ko sa trabaho. So, ito, kaya mahaba. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo kasi nandito na rin lang tayo. Ito ang plug-in niya. This is to measure the current also. When the bunch of load side is a lot of cable and big wire, you cannot use this Clampmeter. Doesn't hold because doesn't fit. Hindi kasya. Malaki. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon to, we can remove this one here. Open, twist, take out. And this is good for a lot of bunches. Maraming kable. Yan ang gamit nito to measure the amp also. What we get here in the amps. Pero the set point different here to the hertz. Flex. This is flexible cable. Okay. This is flexible cable over here. Put first here. Same Clampmeter. Only put one wire and insert. Put in and then twist. Now it's locked. Okay. Nakalak na siya. Isang wire lang. And then, ilipat nyo sa dito. Hindi dito ngayon. Hindi siya gagana. You cannot get the reading. If you got the reading, if you put here. Alright? Now, you use this one. So, this is the purpose for this. For the big, a lot of wire. You get 9.4, 9.3. Yan ang purpose nitong kable na to. Panchik sa pangmaramihan phase, line 1, line 2, line 3 na maraming kable siya, a bunch of wire na marami at hindi niya maipasok to, yan ang ginagamit nito. Ang bihira lang gagamitin to. Bihira ginagamit yan. Okay? Okay. Mga idol, ngayon ituro ko na sa inyo paano paggamit ng multimeter, voltmeter, ang Clampmeter ay napakadali lang. Na-share ko na sa inyo ang aking konting nalalaman tungkol sa paggamit nito. Subukan nyo at marunong na kayo. So, bago ang lahat, I would like to say thanks to all my supporters and subscribers, especially shared my video tutorials. So, marami tayong matutulungan doon. So, shout out muna kay Gina Alvarez, Josephine Latina, Josephine Julaso, Risa Castro, Dio Silverio, my insan, Bernard Duquino, Kenneth Maikes, Joyce Maikes, and Bergie, hi Bergie, and Boogie, Ramil Mendoza, Park Kumar, Christina Maikes, and Reggie Maikes, and Katrina Maikes, and Danny Hilumin. God bless to all of us. Mag-ingat tayo dahil sa COVID. Sana matapos na itong COVID para tayo bumalik na sa normal na buhay.